Journaling is a frustrating activity for me. I hate having to come up with words to describe how I feel. It tends to build constriction in my body rather than release it. So instead of journaling, I scribble. I connect with whatever it is I'm feeling and allow colors and shapes on a page move those feelings through my system. Scribbling is much more likely than journaling to bring relaxation, play, and embodiment into my life. So once I got started, I never looked back. Coming to the end of our time together. This session was quite relaxing for me, but sometimes scribbling truly challenges me, like this next session here, where I use some of my least favorite colors as an act of rebellion.